Welcome to my shop. This is Jim, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We're working on a project. Come along, have fun. Okie dokie, here we go. What the hell? You heard that noise? My air compressor sits outside. I want you to see this. It literally exploded the bottom out of the air compressor. And I don't know where it damaged the damn power outlet or what, but boy, it did. I mean, the whole bottom just blew right slap out of it right there. Well, detour from the work. That's a little Harbor Freight unit. It's about the same size as my little Campbell Haas field. And so I decided I really don't run a lot of air tools. Most of the stuff that runs in my shop is basically air compressor, blowing a few tires up or whatever. So there's the new compressor. I didn't put the handles on it. I didn't put the wheels on it. I just brought it out here, put the oil in it, this oil unit, set it up and put it right here to set it on them blocks. So it's sitting out here under this shelter, so that's where the oven was. And I got a load of junk on my trailer that's going to the dump. That mower was brought here, wouldn't run. I priced a carburetor on it. It's going to the it's going to be gotten rid of. And there's the tank on the Campbell Haas field. So there we go. As this goes to show you this, and it was probably rust in the bottom. And I can tell you, that tank, that compressor, the tank's date was 1998. So that's 20 years. That's basically right, 20 years old.